To turn on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, there are two ways to actually turn on this watch, and the first one, the traditional way, is to simply press and hold any of these buttons probably, or the crown button or this down button right here. If you press and hold on any of these, the watch should turn on. So this is the classic way to do this. And the second way to actually do this is you can provide any source of power to this watch and it will actually turn on. So it can be either the original charger actually, which comes included, the wireless charger. You can put this watch on the charger and it will turn on, and you can also put it on this charger, a regular wireless charger, or you can, for example, turn it on by charging it from the reverse wireless charging from your phone, for example. So let me just show you. As I put this watch on this source of power, it will turn on just like in a moment. And this is pretty interesting right now. As you can see, the watch just turned on, and yeah, that's basically how you can turn on this Huawei Watch Fit 4.